My role at the conference was to have the Indigenous component to it. So it was one way of getting the word, how we can get the word back out into the communities around sexual health, safe sex. And we had Last Kinection come and be a part of that. And the kids, we had a group of kids, they came, wrote a song, recorded it and done a video and actually performed at the end of it.
Wow, how many people were they performing to?
In there would have been about
350.
350, I think it was, yeah. So that was a big thing for the kids to do because they weren't really aware of what they were here for. Otherwise they wouldn't have came. So, yeah.
But they seemed to really enjoy it and the crowd really enjoyed it.
They did. They loved it. They thought it was great. Yeah. So...
Awesome.
Yeah.
And what was your role in the conference, Nicola?
So I'm on Youth Council, Byron Shire Youth Council, and I was here last year and I came again this year. Our team, I think we have about 5 members. We came and we helped set up, and then I joined in with Larissa's squad and the Indigenous in the Keeping Our Mob Strong program in there, and we just went over, we sat down pretty much, they gave us pen and paper and they said let's write a song. So we just had to, we brainstormed ideas, we came up with some things and we just had to pretty much just go with it. We worked on writing songs around sexual health and how to keep it safe and pretty much all the positive sides to having, or with having sex and sexual health and all the rest of it. So we filmed yesterday and we performed today, so build some confidence for that one. Took it out of us, I reckon. We think we smashed it.
Awesome.
Great.
Well done. And what's your role like outside of this conference? What do you do
Outside
day
the
to day?
conference, I'm the sexual health educator at Tweed. My area is Tweed to Byron.
Right.
So, yeah, I go out and educate in the community about safe sex.
And so what do you think the importance of a conference like this is for the community?
Oh, very important. Very important. This conference goes from Tweed to Grafton, out to Kyogle. So within that area, there is so many young people. And to have them come to this conference and get a different view, it's not just, it is safe sex, but there's a lot more to it than the sex and,
Yeah, it's the emotional well-being, it's the bigger picture.
Yeah, and that's where Keeping Our Mob Strong, we didn't focus on the sex, it was how do we stay strong? How can we be strong to say no? So, yeah, but the kids done it, they smashed it. They did great.
They did. Awesome.